Welcome to our video on how to make thin Russian pancakes. Today we are going to share with you a classic recipe that has been passed down from generation to generation and has won hearts with its unique taste and flavor. To get started, you will need the following ingredients minus 140 grams of wheat flour to 2 eggs, 250 milliliters of milk minus 250 milliliters boiling water minus 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, vinegar, pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Now that we have everything we need, let's get to the cooking. In a large bowl, beat the eggs with the milk. Add sugar for a slightly sweet taste. The milk should be warm, but not hot, and a pinch of salt. Then add the baking soda and vinegar. Gradually add the flour to the egg and milk mixture, mixing gently to avoid lumps. Continue adding flour until the dough is smooth and homogeneous. Add a cup of boiling water and whisk again. The dough should be liquid. Add vegetable oil to the dough and mix again. Heat a frying pan, fry the pancakes on high heat and grease it with a thin layer of oil. Remember, the key word here is thin pancakes. Pour a small amount of batter into the pan and spread it evenly over the entire surface. Wait a few minutes for the pancake to brown on the bottom. Then flip and brown on the other side. You can brush the top with butter to make it more delicious. Repeat the process until you run out of batter, trying to make each pancake thinner and tastier. Watch how thin and tender the pancakes become. And there they are, your perfect Russian pancakes, ready to serve. You can serve them with your favorite fillings, cottage cheese, jam, condensed milk, sour cream, or even caviar. But I love them with caramel. Caramel recipe can be found on my channel. Thank you for spending time with us to make these delicious pancakes. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family, so they can enjoy the taste of real Russian cuisine. Remember that cooking is an art that brings us together around the table and creates unforgettable moments. Enjoy every taste, every flick of the spatula, and every bite of flavor. We look forward to seeing you in future videos. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with new recipes and culinary adventures. Good luck and enjoy! See you soon!